Do skin tags come back? In my experience, yes and no. I've been using tea tree oil for a while to remove skin tags. I've removed these down here on my neck in the past. They've kind of started to come back, but I mean, they're still very little. The last one that I was using tea tree oil on was this one here on this side of my eye. And I haven't been using anything on it for a while because last time I did, I wound up looking like this. This is what happens when you use the 100% tea tree oil without a carrier. It'll burn your face, you can have a reaction, so I advise you use caution if you're going to be using this stuff. Make sure you use it with a carrier. I haven't tried any of the skin tag removal tools where it like puts a little band on it and cuts out the blood flow. Eventually it's supposed to fall off. I haven't tried those yet. Getting back to the question of do skin tags come back, I had said yes and no at the beginning of the video. I just showed you why I said yes with these kind of coming back. The reason I say no is because my first experience with the skin tag, I had one right here in my nose and it was pretty big. And I went to the doctor and what they wound up doing was using liquid nitrogen to freeze it off. And that was an experience, let me tell you, but it hasn't never grown back. So as you can see, it kind of depends on what you're using to remove the skin tags. If you've had any experience removing skin tags, they've come back or they've stayed gone, let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready for another video, be sure to check this one out and I'll see you over there.